Hello there, my name is Patrick Cartwright and I'm a filmmaker and photographer living here in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Amongst the work I do, there is nothing I love more than shooting music videos. So, I have set myself a challenge, and that challenge is to film 10 music videos with 10 different artists across 10 days, each for the cost of just £100. Now this means filming, editing and delivering one music video every one day. This is a pretty ridiculous challenge that I've set myself, but I just want to film more music videos and I thought this would be a pretty ridiculous way to go about doing that. I think there's probably going to be a couple of all-nighters in there, but I think this will be good fun. Is that what it's going to be? At the moment I have set the dates to be the 7th to the 16th of May. However, if I cannot get 10 bands literally in a row one day after the other, we'll just shift those dates around. So if you would like to be part of this sort of crazy experiment challenge thing and would like a music video for just £100, ping me an email at patrick@brooklandsmedia.com or send me a Facebook message and carrier pigeon and we will get you booked in. But anyway, that's us. I'm going to put my hands to the camera now because that's what the internet likes.